I might have to abandon my attempt. We're getting a pretty good rainstorm. I'm coming back. I'm bringing it back. I'm aborting. Sometimes you gotta just abort. Hey, this is Dad Random and dodging rainstorms. I want to do a little flight with the Atom, the Potensic ATOM SE. We've got a flood of minis coming, and I figured that the more I could fly minis for you as you're trying to determine what mini quad is going to be best for your specific situation. And if I took the opportunity to fly these minis, you could make a educated decision as to what mini would be best. Now this is on the lower end of the mini spectrum, so if you chose to fly the Potensic SE, you would be basically picking the lowest common denominator when it comes to minis. But I'm going to do a little bit of I'm going to try to do a little bit of a reaching flight. So we're going to get out a little bit and highlight this mini in inclement weather, which probably, I would say it's not too bad. I've flown in much worse weather with these minis, so shouldn't be a big deal. Minis are fun to fly, and regardless of the weather. So, all right, be right back. All right, we have the mini ready to go. We shouldn't have to calibrate it all because of the location that we're at is not very far from where I lifted off previously. So let's see, we've got a card. It says take off with caution, no GPS. So right now it's trying to determine GPS connectivity. We got enough battery there. We're not going that far. So right now it's saying Opti, and it's saying don't take off quite yet. Oh, there it is right there. Let's go. Let's take off. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do a field launch. All right. It's a little bit windy, so let's set it down. She's not wanting to do that right now, so let's just connected. Drone will hover stably from 3 to 3. There we go. There we go. There we go. So that's what we wanted. That took a little bit. She didn't want to take off at all. Let's see. We got plenty of battery. We got 72%. That'll be plenty. And I'm going to go ahead and get the video rolling. We've got a little bit of rain. Who cares? Let's fly. All right. Boy, the colors are looking great. So I'm really happy right now with the video quality. We will be checking definitely checking the, I can see the raindrops falling on my head here. I might have to abandon my attempt, because we're getting a pretty good rainstorm. I'm coming back. I'm bringing it back. I'm aborting. Sometimes you gotta just abort. And wow, the video looks really good though. It's raining on us, so she's flying really good though in this rain. Yeah, I've got a little squall coming in, but really good. I'm really happy with the video. There she is right there coming back for us. She's like, yeah. All right. And we're going to recover and be smart about this not flying today. let's go ahead and land right here. All right, it's just too rainy. We're gonna go and not fly. We'll do it. We'll pick up where we left off. But sometimes you have to do that. Sometimes you have to make a call, you know. Yeah, and this was really flying well, by the way, because the wind picked up, and it's just raining on our heads, man. But this is actually a really good example of a smart abort decision. Sometimes you just can't fly, and some people will fly. They'll just go, you know what? We're going to fly in this crappy weather, but not going to happen. We're going to protect our very small investment, and we're going to come back because we've always got another day to fly. So, all right, I'm going to disconnect there, and we'll be right back as soon as the weather clears up. Dad Random with the Potensic Mini SE. Well, it's the Potensic Atom SE, isn't it? Not the Mini. Later, for Dad Random, guys, be a smart flyer. When the weather's crappy, call it. All right? Be right back when the weather's better.